When the narrator got to New York, he found it difficult to get a job because the letter of recommendation Dr. Bledsoe gave him was not a letter of recommendation, but one that would make employers avoid him. When he learned about this, in his disappointment, he applied for a job at Liberty Paints and got it. Mr. Brockway, who was his new boss, wasn't used to working with people. All this time as an engineer, he had worked alone and he had done so well for himself. To him, he was better off working alone and didn't want the narrator to work with him. Because of this, he became suspicious that the narrator was there to take his job away from him. He became even sadder when he learned that the narrator had been to the union meeting, while he, an engineer, had not been there. Mr. Brockway decided to attack the narrator, but the narrator is determined that he won't allow anyone to treat him badly. So he fought back. Finally, because the narrator wasn't paying much attention to his job during the fight, Mr. Brockway decided to blame him for the explosion, which was caused by the boilers overheating. As a result, the narrator lost his job. See you in the next class.